Alright, Mark with Passing Gas Garage. This is like round 2, stage 2. So the new one was put on in the other video. This is the old one coming off, as you can see. And he is going to, I'll move over a little bit so we get a little better view. You can see it coming down. The pole's in the way, but there's the truck down there and he's bringing it down. Not too windy here today, you know, that would affect it, but you know, the thing's pretty heavy. I was guessing probably 180 pounds or so, something like that, maybe more. It looks pretty big. Yeah, you can see the units on top over there. So they had I assume they had this old one unhooked and ready. Probably what'll happen is he'll, going back up. Okay, he didn't like it, whatever he's doing. Not really sure why we had to go back up like that, but he did. So I assume what he's going to do is he'll come down. You know, they'll unhook this down at the bottom. And he's in the bottom of the, you know, in the bottom of this thing, so he can see this. So he should be able to put it on the ground, no problem, all by himself. Now, why we're going up and down, I don't know why. I assume there's some rhyme to this. Maybe he's got to move it a little bit. I don't know. But I assume he'll put it down. They'll unhook it. I don't see any of the guys yet, but I assume they'll get down here, unhook it, and then probably take that crane back to the top of the roof, hook it back up to the new unit so they can position it where they removed, you know, that old unit. But ironically, this building has not been occupied ever. One person owns it, a corporation really, and it's 4 units. I think he paid $12 million for it, something crazy, and guess what? It's never been occupied. So here comes the guy around the corner, you can see. So he'll put it down, unstrap it, is what he's doing. He brought in his boom closer so it's not such a pendulum and heavy like that. So he'll unstrap it, and then I assume what'll happen is he'll take that back up, I would assume to the top, to position that new unit, unless it's already positioned on the top. I don't believe it is, and I can see he's going up, so just a guess. But you know, now the guy's got a hand truck under it, so I don't know, maybe he is done. So they might have already had that one on the new one on top, where close enough where they'll move it by hand, because he's putting this thing back down and they'll secure it down. You know, you can see on the bracket there, so it'll lay in that. He's bringing it down, and then the front pulley, that little hook thing in the front, it basically gets attached to the front. You can see the wire there, and that's what goes on. So this guy, he must be the crane owner. Got the silver hair there getting out, so he's the guy in charge, and that's that. And I'm not sure who the guy is on the ground there, but you know, he was videoing a little bit. But there you have it. So now the AC company, I saw some guys moving around up top. Maybe they can slide it in where it needs to go, but there you have it, guys. That was part 2. Again, Mark Passing Gas Garage. Please subscribe, please like the video, and just a different video.